Hey everyone, it's Chris Lambert here again with another mystery box. What do you think it is? Well, let's find out. Get my trusty Walmart multi-tool here. Just got this a while ago. I see a couple boxes in here. Got these open. Let's see what we have. Oops. Got the box there. Okay, box number 1. Looks like mini flashlights. Keychain flashlights. So I got 2 boxes of 12. Let's show a purple one off here. I think these were kind of hard to open. Oh, okay. And just open up like this. There we go. These aren't super bright, but they're handy. And one thing I like about them, sometimes these break, but that's not what I like about it. What I like about it is you twist the back, and there you go. You can plug it in your original USB plug here. You can plug it right into your laptop, your computer, your older phone charger. Charge it that way. You don't have to get batteries. So there you go. Got a lot of different colors here. Let's see how many colors we have. Got purple, got orange, we got yellow, red, silver, blue, green, black, brown, pink, gray, and different shade of blue, light blue. So there we go. I think these were about $22, maybe around $25 with tax. But pretty nice. You get 12 flashlights there. You pass them out to your friends, family. And there you go. Got them on Amazon. I forgot the name. Yeah, it just says mini keychain multicolor flashlight. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you with the next one. Take care.